Spiders. The predatory eight-legged creatures belonging to the Arachnid family. They are a class of arthropods that also includes scorpions, mites, and ticks. Spiders serve the critical purpose of controlling insect populations that could otherwise devastate crops. Unlike insects, they have more legs and different body parts. Their bodies are made up of two main parts, the cephalothorax or head, and the abdomen, whereas insects have an additional thorax. There are about 40,000 known species of spiders and more yet to be discovered. Most spiders use a web to catch their prey, which is usually insects. Whereas some species like the wolf spider make a hole in the ground, and wait inside for prey to come near before catching them. Some species of female spiders, like black widows, are known to eat their male counterparts right after mating. It takes a spider about an hour to build a web, and they usually build a new one every day. Some spiders eat their old web before starting a new one. Spiders have short hairs on their feet that allow them to walk upside down on ceilings. The hair on a spider's first pair of legs is sensitive to taste. The spider tastes its prey by touching it. Spiders have an exoskeleton, that is on the outside of their body instead of inside. Spiders create silk from spinneret glands in their abdomen. Spider silk is extremely strong, and has a number of different uses. Their silk is actually a liquid that hardens when it hits the air. A single strand of spider silk is 5 times stronger than a strand of steel of the same thickness. It's even rumored that a spider web with the thickness of a pencil could actually stop an airplane in flight. Even though not tested it yet. A single spider can produce up to 7 different types of silk for different purposes, like to create webs, to make dragline silk for support while creating a web, to wrap and immobilize the prey, for parachuting to find a food source, create a shelter or nest, making egg sacs, and for mating. Most spider species live on land, but a few, like the raft spiders, live in and on water. These spiders can also run across the water's surface. Spiders have 8 eyes, however, they are nearsighted and most of them can't see very well. But they can feel and sense the movement when something's caught in their web. Spiders lack teeth, so they can't chew food. They trap their prey in a cocoon of silk, and then inject digestive fluids into it, and then they suck up the liquefied creature. Female spiders can lay up to 3,000 eggs at one time, and store them in an egg sac to keep them safe. The average human adult is over 2.5 lakh times heavier than a spider by weight. Spider's blood is pale blue in color. Unlike human blood, the oxygen in spider blood binds to copper instead of iron, making their blood bluish. Spiders can only pull the muscles in their legs inward, not outward. They pump a watery liquid through their legs to push them out. So when a spider dies, it can't push the fluid through its legs, causing its legs to stay curled up. The jumping spiders can alter the pressure of the fluids in their legs so quickly that allows them to jump up to 50 times their own length. The largest spider is the Goliath tarantula or Goliath bird eater. These spiders can have a leg span of up to 30 centimeters and can weigh up to 175 grams. These nocturnal species, most noticeable in Amazon rainforests, have been observed feeding on rodents, frogs, lizards, snakes, and can even catch birds. The smallest spider in the world is the patudiga, of which males reach a body size of only about 0.37 millimeters, roughly 1/5 the size of the head of a pin. Even though arachnids don't have wings like insects, some young spiders and smaller spiders use their silk to help them travel around by floating in the air. This is called ballooning. They shoot off some silk that catches in the wind, eventually helping them drift. Centuries ago, people would put spider webs on wounds to stop bleeding. Modern scientists discovered that spider webs contain vitamin K, which is a coagulant that stops bleeding. Interestingly or creepily enough, studies show that you're never more than 10 feet away from a spider, unless you are in Arctic or the Antarctic. They are literally everywhere. But no worries, they're likely hiding in a corner somewhere minding their own business. Being afraid of spiders is called arachnophobia. It's the most common fear that people have. Do you have the fear of spiders? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We hope you liked this video. If you do, please like, share, and remember to subscribe Lubilu channel for more fascinating videos. Your support is very valuable to us. Thanks for watching.